and we have basically a very intriguing venue for today intellectual discussion or debate. But before we go into that one, like, I mean, it will be good if you can introduce yourself briefly, one by one. So if you can start saying the name and they can keep coming up. So the first we will request Professor Dr. M.D. Ashraful Haq. Is that right? Did I say the name right?
Yes.
Yes, sir. Please go ahead.
Okay. So I am Professor Muhammad Ashraful Haq. Actually, I am from Islamic University of Technology, IUT. This is subsidiary organ of WISE, and I am a professor of electrical and electronic engineering department, and also I am acting as the Dean of Faculty of Engineering and Technology. Thank you very much.
Welcome. So next we have Miss Arifa Rahman. Please.
Assalamu alaikum. Arifa Ghani Rahman. I am an associate professor at the University of Liberal Arts, Bangladesh in the Department of English and Humanities. Thank you.
Thank you and welcome. And next we have Ataur Rahman, please.
Can you hear me?
Very well, please.
Yeah. My name is Muhammad Ataur Rahman. I am Professor of Water Resources Engineering Department in Bangladesh University of Engineering and Technology. It's BUET. And I want to mention one thing that in our university right now, we are working on how to conduct online classes in our university because last 4 months it has been stopped. And I am one of the member of that committee who are working on that, how to conduct the academic activities and assessment system. So this program, I think, will be very much helpful for us also for our university if we can share our knowledge and learn something from that workshop. Thank you.
Okay, so next we will request, thank you very much. We will request Asif Jamal, please. Asif Jamal with us, please. You have to unmute yourself, Asif Jamal, please. Yes.
Hello, are you listening me?
Oh, very well. We can listen you well, please.
Okay, thank you very much, sir. I'm Asif Jamal. Sorry, my camera is not working. I'm trying to get connected by the camera. I'm Asif Jamal. I'm currently serving as an assistant professor in Qaid-e-Azam University, Islamabad. And thank you very much for that wonderful opportunity. And hello?
Yes, we can hear you. Please keep going. Okay, welcome. And then next we have Changiz Ahmed, please. Changiz, please go ahead.
Hello, Assalamu alaikum. Can you hear me, please?
We can hear you very well, loud and clear, please.
Okay, Assalamu alaikum, everybody. This is Mr. Changiz Ahmed, Assistant Professor, Department of Political Science, University of Turbat, which is a newly established university at KH Turbat, Makran, Balochistan. And I am very thankful to the focal person and to the concerned authorities of this forum who have provided us with this precious opportunity to enhance our knowledge and polish our skills. Thank you.
Thank you very much. I would like to say my deepest apologies because you all are honorable professors serving in some universities. So, I mean, it will be better next time once you join it, if you put like prof or doctor, whatever your name is, so that I can see
Yes,
over
sir.
here well and I
Yes.
can pronounce you in a
Thank
right
you, sir.
way.
Thank you.
Yeah, thank you. Next, we have Dr. Asma Gul, please.
Assalamu alaikum. I am Dr. Asma Gul from Department of Statistics, Shaheed Benazir Bhutto, University, Peshawar. And fortunately, we have started online classes in our university from the last 2 months. So I hope that this session will be very beneficial for us to learn more and more. Thank you very much.
Dr. Asma, thank you very much. It's not really fortunately, I mean, it's a compulsion that we have to move in this new world and we all have to work together. Thank you very much. All the best. Next, we have Dr. Bushra Ahmed. Dr. Bushra Ahmed, please.
Yes.
Dr. Bushra, please.
Assalamu alaikum.
Welcome, Dr.
I am Dr. Bushra Ahmed from Shaheed Benazir Bhutto Women University, Peshawar, and I am working as assistant professor at the Department of Biochemistry. And I hope this interactive session will be really helpful, fruitful for all of us. Thank you so much.
Thank you and welcome. Please, next one. Dr. Qazi Bazid Kabir, if I say the name right.
Good evening. Yes, sir, you pronounced it correctly.
Oh, thank you. God bless you. Yes, please.
Yeah, I am Qazi Bazid Kabir. I'm an associate professor of chemical engineering at Bangladesh University of Engineering and Technology. I'm also the additional director of Institutional Quality Assurance Cell, also known as IQAC of the university. At the IQAC, we act as a bridge between the internal and external stakeholders of the university. And we also organize talks, seminars, and workshops for the faculty members with focus on quality assurance in tertiary level education. I would like to thank you all for providing us this opportunity so that we can learn from each other. Thank you very much.
Thank you and welcome, please. Dr. Muhammad Suhail Khan, please.
Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. Hopefully you can hear me. My
Yes,
name is Dr. Muhammad Suhail Khan. I am working as a lecturer in the Department of Management Sciences, ComStats University, Islamabad. So I recently completed my MS and PhD from the University of Illinois, Urbana-Champaign, and I rejoined back my university, ComStats University. So happy to be here. Thank you.
Welcome, welcome. So next we have Fazlur Rahman Azad, please.
Hello, Assalamu alaikum. I'm Fazlur Rahman Azad, working as head of content department at ComStats University of Islamabad. Thank you for having me. I'm looking forward to a good session.
Welcome, sir. Welcome. And next we have Miss Laila Nadir, please.
Thank you so much. I'm Assistant Professor Laila Nadir, working as an English teacher in the English department at the Faculty of Languages and Literature at Kabul University. In addition, I'm the head of quality assurance in my institution. Besides that, I am a teacher trainer in the embassy, US Embassy in Kabul, as well as in British Council in Afghanistan. And thank you so much. I'm so happy to join this effective workshop, and I hope we will learn a lot from each other. Thank you so much.
Welcome. Next we have M. Salal Khan.
My name is Mohammad Salal Khan. Currently, I'm serving as Director Information Technology, University of Balochistan, Quetta. It is worth mentioning that we have already started online classes with effect from 1st of June 2020. And we are very successfully running these classes. And later on, I would be more than happy to share our experiences with other audience. Thank you very much.
That will be beautiful. Welcome. Next we have I see the name over here, Mudassir. Mudassir with us?
Yes, this is Dr. Mudassir, Assistant Professor at Dr. Panjwani Center for Molecular Medicine and Drug Research in the field of pharmacology and toxicology. Looking forward to hear new and unique ideas for the virtual education.
Thank you, Dr. Mudassir, because the name was written over here, Mudassir, so I pronounce that way. Welcome aboard. Okay. Next we have Professor Dr. M.D. Rakbul Islam, please.
Assalamu alaikum. I hope you can listen to me.
Loud and clear, please.
Oh, thank you very much. So I'm Professor Muhammad Rakibul Islam. I am from Islamic University of Technology in Electrical Department. I'm also the Dean of Faculty of Science and Technical Education. Recently, we have started the online class, and I am the chairman of this online academic rules and regulations committee. So this workshop will be very helpful for us. Thank you very much.
Welcome. Next we have Rifat Saif Dar Sahaba.
Ji, Assalamu alaikum. My name is Dr. Rifat Saif Dar. I am professor in fine arts from Lahore College for Women University. I'm heading my parent institute, that is fine arts. But in addition to this, I am also taking responsibilities of faculty development center at my university. So I feel that my core research area is fine arts and art history. But as I'm looking after other responsibilities, so I feel very good that I'm here and you have accepted me as a trainer. So this will bring more, information, which I take back to my university, to my Department of Faculty Development. I think it will enhance my abilities, and I will learn a lot from you. So thank you very much.
Welcome, Dr. Sahab. Next we have Sajjad Ahmed Madni Saab. He is the facilitator, I believe. Dr. Sajjad, please.
जी sir, मैं Dr. Sajjad Ahmed Madni. I am a professor of computer science at Comsat University, Islamabad, and currently I am the director of our WA campus. I have been head of the virtual campus of Comsat University for 3 years, and we have been involved in a lot of distance learning and hybrid learning programs. So a very, very good venue to learn from the experiences of you all.
Welcome, Dr. Saab. So we will be hearing from you today, because that is the menu of this evening. Okay. So then we have Samanthi.
Hello, good evening, everyone. I'm Samanthi Vikramasinghe. Actually, I'm from Sri Lanka, attached to the Faculty of IT in Horizon Campus. I'm a senior lecturer in IT and quality assurance executive in the campus. I hope this will be a fruitful session.
Welcome, Samanthi. We we will try our best that we make the things intriguing for each other. So next one is Sayyid Ahmed Mehboobi, please.
Assalamu alaikum. Do you hear me?
Loud and clear, please. Wa alaikum salam.
I'm Sayyid Ahmad Mahboobi, Associate Professor, Faculty of Computer Science, Kandahar University, Kandahar, Afghanistan. I am also working as a head of Professional Development Center. I am very happy participating in this online workshop. Thank you.
Welcome. Next, we have, okay, it's moving very fast. Shamshad Murtaza.
Yes. So this is Shamshad. I'm a professor of English at the University of Dhaka, and currently I am with the University of Liberal Arts of Bangladesh, and I'm working there as the Pro Vice Chancellor. And I'm happy to be here, and thanks for having me, and I look forward to a wonderful session. Thank you.
Welcome, Excellency Pro Vice Chancellor. So we will request you to join our gala also, that Murtaza is the Coordinator General. That's the Global Academic Leader Academy. Thank you. And
I'd
then
love to.
next,
Thank you.
Yeah, thank you. Next, we have Shehzad Ashraf Chaudhry, please. Unmute yourself, please. Shehzad Ashraf Chaudhry, I think probably you have to unmute yourself, sir. So, I mean, in Zoom, you have to unmute yourself. In the meanwhile, you are trying to unmute yourself, so we can request Dr. Salim to introduce himself, please, Dr. Dr. Salim, please. Dr. Salim, can you hear us? Okay, next one. Okay, next we have Siri Fatma Wati, please.
Can you hear me clearly?
Yes, we can hear you. Please go ahead.
Yeah, actually, well, in Indonesia now is already 7:18. So I think I'm very honored to be here, participate in this workshop. I hope I can learn more about the online system, online assessment skill, or something like that. And workshop will increase my learning, my e-learning process here. The lecture here to my colleagues in Indonesia. So for me, I'm very happy to meet you all here, and we can collaborate in the near future. Thank you. Assalamualaikum.
Wassalam. Terima kasih. Welcome. Okay, next we have Usman Nawaz, please. Usman Nawaz.
Ji, it's Dr. Usman Nawaz here. Assalamu alaikum. I'm Associate Professor in Statistics, working as a chairperson in the department there in the Women University, Multan. And I feel very pleased and honored that I am with you all, and definitely anticipating a lot, and hopefully we'll learn a lot that will be very fruitful and beneficial, of course, for my institution and in return to my country. Thank you very much.
Welcome. Next we have Arifa Rahman, please. Okay. So looks like we completed everybody. If somebody is left over, just jump in and we can hear you. Anybody to whom we have not introduced?
Hello.
Okay. Yes.
Am I audible?
Yeah, you are audible, please.
This is Faryan Gail. I am an assistant professor in Government College, Women University, Sialkot, Pakistan. And previously I was having some technical issues, so maybe I missed that part where we were calling out names. It's been an honor to be a part of this workshop, and I look forward to learn a lot of new things. Thank you very much for making me a part of this work.
Welcome. So we have Maria Khan, please. Maria, please. Yes, Maria, we can hear you, but very low. I mean, if you can come close to the mic, please, and then speak.
My name is Dr. Maria Khan. I'm currently working as assistant professor at HUJ Research Institute of Chemistry, International Center for Chemical and Biological Sciences. I'm very happy to attend such a wonderful workshop, and definitely it will help me to learn more about online teaching and assessment skills. Thank you.
Okay, welcome. And next we have Saima Salman, please. Saima, please. Saima Salman Saba. Okay, so I mean, if somebody is left over, I think we will be chatting with each other a lot, and we can get introduced to each other later on. What I will do, because our introduction session is so long, and I'm so intrigued to see that we have such a brilliant group of people that we will be interacting with each other, sharing with each other, like effective online teaching and assessment skills. So what I will do, I won't introduce myself. My name is Dr. Mukhtar, and I'm a Vice Chancellor of Scale University. So without any delay, I will go to our speakers of facilitators of this evening. So we have three speakers with us tonight. One is Dr. Sajjad Ahmed Madni, and then we have next Dr. Muhammad Suhail Khan, and then we have Miss Farida Ansari. She will be speaking to us from Canada. Hope she is awake, and she will be joining shortly to us.